Ashley Earl, the science girl. Ashley Earl, the science girl. Ashley Earl, the science girl. Science rules. Ashley Earl, the science girl. Inertia is a property of matter. Ashley Earl, the science girl. Ashley Earl, the science girl.
Hi, it's me, Ashley Earl. If you remember my first episode, I had an assistant. Science rules. Sadly, she's on vacation, so I had to go and find a substitute. Anyway, I've hired a new assistant, my cousin Tommy Earl. Tommy and I have worked together for quite a long time. That's why I thought he'd be the perfect person to give me an extra hand.
Hi, I'm Tommy Earl. Thanks, Ashley. Today, we're going to be learning about endo and exothermic reactions.
Well, I'm sure you're wondering exactly what endo and exothermic reactions are. Well, endothermic reactions are when two elements combine together and all the heat in their bond is absorbed. In other words, the mixture starts to get really cold.
And exothermic reactions are exactly the opposite. It is when two elements combine and they get really hot.
Well, today we're going to show you two experiments that you'll really get the feel of endo and exothermic reactions.
Make sure to wear your safety gear and goggles.
Right now, we have two experiments representing endothermic reactions. In this cup, we have potassium chloride and water, and in this cup, we have ammonia and water. Now, when you make these two bonds, it creates an endothermic reaction. So, the water in the cup starts to get very cold, and you can definitely feel it.
You need about 4 teaspoons each in a cup.
Now we are conducting an exothermic experiment. For this one, it's called elephant toothpaste. What we have done is in a bottle, we have put 5 milliliters of soap, like dish soap, Dawn, Joy, all that kind of stuff. And then next, you add 20 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide. And there are 2 different kinds of this that you can add. You can do the 30% or the 3%. Today we are doing the 3%. Now after this, you need something to really set off the experiment, because in this mixture that we have here is a lot of carbon and hydrogen. And when we add something, it's going to break down that and produce a ton of heat, which is what we want. So, we're going to add yeast to the compound. Wish us luck! Afterwards, when we felt the bottle, it was extremely hot. Well, of course it would be. It was an exothermic reaction. And if you looked really closely, the little bubbles being produced were the hydrogen bubbles, like we had talked about. Well, I hoped you learned a lot today. Thanks for watching Ashley Earl, the Science Girl. And thanks for coming, cousin. Join us next week.
Ashley Earl, the science girl. Ashley Earl, the science girl. Ashley Earl.